The new Citi travel portal has been launched in partnership with Booking.com, and additional features are expected to be added in the future. In this video, I will provide an overview of the key features of the new Citi travel portal, including the attractions available to be booked through the portal, the launch of 2 new Citi hotel programs, as well as the impact on the Citi Prestige and Citi Premier card portal benefits. Additionally, I will share information about a new bonus points promotion. With that said, let's dive into the details of the new Citi travel portal. This is the landing page for the new Citi travel portal that is powered by Booking.com that allows people to access more than 1 million hotels worldwide. If you want to access the travel portal landing page, you can find a link to that page in the description below. Citi's new travel portal will be integrated with your online account and mobile app for easier access and visibility of your points balance. The portal allows you to redeem points for all or a portion of your reservation with a redemption rate of 1 cent per point. The portal features Booking.com's extensive hotel inventory, including boutique properties, bed and breakfasts, and some Disney properties, but not hostels. Citi's new travel portal also offers access to hundreds of thousands of attractions worldwide, including Universal theme parks, river cruises, and entrance tickets to popular tourist attractions. Attractions can be found by searching your destination and paid for with points. The portal does not offer tickets to Six Flags or Disney parks, although some Disney hotels can be booked using the portal. Citi has also launched 2 new hotel programs, the Hotel Collection and Luxury Collection, within the new travel portal. These programs will offer free breakfast, complimentary Wi-Fi, early check-in, and late checkout subject to availability, and room upgrades at the Luxury Collection. A $100 on-property credit is also available at the Luxury Collection. These programs are available to all Thank You Points earners, but only the Citi Prestige and Citi Premier card members can access the Luxury Collection. There are no minimum stay requirements, and loyalty program numbers cannot be added to these reservations. Citi Prestige and Citi Premier cards offer hotel benefits, which can be used by booking hotels through Citi's travel portal. Citi Premier cardholders will receive a once per year $100 credit for hotel bookings of $500 or more, while Citi Prestige cardholders will receive a 4th night free on hotel bookings made in Citi's travel portal twice per year. These benefits can be combined with the Citi Hotel Collection or Luxury Collection reservations. Lastly, there is currently a bonus points promotion that allows Citi cardholders to earn up to 10 points per dollar spent on bookings made through Citi Travel until June 30th, 2024. The earning rate depends on the card, with the Citi Prestige card and Citi Premier card earning 10 points per dollar, while the Citi Thank You Preferred card and Citi Rewards Plus card earning 5 points per dollar. It's important to note that flights are not included in the bonus earning rates. So I'm logged into my Citi account, and this is the Citi travel page. As you can see, we've got hotels, flights, cars, and attractions. So let's say I wanted to go to the Caribbean. You can put that in the destination down here. You can see all the different hotels you can book. So let's just arbitrarily book the Dutch Caribbean. And let's say we want to travel next February 2024 from Wednesday to Wednesday. Let's say we got 2 adults. Hit the blue search button, and Citi's travel website will populate all of the results on the page. And as you can see here on the right, you get all these hotels here, the cost of the hotel, the number of points, as well as the taxes and fees per night. Let's say that I want to book a flight instead of a hotel. Let's say I want to fly from my home airport of New Orleans, airport code MSY, and I need to fly to Dallas. Let's say I need to fly next week on Wednesday. I want to book an economy flight for just myself, so an adult. Hit the blue search button, and Citi's travel portal will feed you the results. Similar to the hotels, you can see the cost of the flight here, the number of points per person, and then you can filter on the left side of the page here, depending on the airline you want to fly, the number of stops, price, the duration. Go through, click add to cart, and then finalize your reservation details and pay with points or cash. The last thing I'll cover is the attractions filter to book travel. So let's say I want to go to New York. So I'll click attractions, I'll search New York. This will populate all of the attractions that I can book through Citi Travel with cash or points. So as you can see, the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island tour, $39 or 3,950 points. You can scroll through, you can see all the different attractions, click through these, and you can finalize your reservation through Citi Travel. There you have it. That is the new Citi Travel and how to use the travel to book your next hotel, flight, or attraction. If you have any questions about the new Citi Travel, please let me know in the comments below.